Hey guys, McCaffrey here from the Urban Goddess shop. Welcome back. Today I have a video on a couple of recent thrift hauls. So I've done a lot of thrifting in the last 2 weeks and haven't really shared any of it. So I'm going to split these into two separate thrift hauls. So today's thrift haul is going to be bolos, styles, things to look out for. All right. If you want to see what we're grabbing, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. McCaffrey here from the Urban Goddess shop. If you're new here, welcome. We are a mom and two-daughter thrifting team, but I'm the one that does all the videos, so you always see my smiley face. Welcome. Yes, if you're new, make sure you hit subscribe, tap that little bell so you follow in all of our journeys. And I like to post anything and everything reselling related. So today, I have a cool thrift haul. These are kind of like a bunch of items that I've accumulated over the last few thrift hauls, and I really want to start listing today, so I gotta do the video so I can list the items. I had some really great finds. There's some bolos in here. There's also just some styles to watch out for. Not necessarily a bolo brand, but a bolo style. First up was this super cute Burton sweater. I don't know if you've heard of Burton or if you carry it. I always grab it. It's a very popular brand. They seem to sell really well for us. I like the color. This is in a size medium, and it just has the nice classic print on it. Next up, this is an item that I'm keeping for myself. And when I was thrifting, I kind of like thrifted everything this time and I separated. I don't know if you follow my Instagram, but I posted a picture. I'm going to like pop it up here. And this was like the items that I was keeping and the items that I was selling. And I purposefully thrifted certain items just for myself. I like this. So this is a Lululemon light blue top, and it has like a nice wide V-neck. It's a little bit cropped, but not belly showing crop. And the sleeves like come just there. It's very like baggy and summerish. I'm excited to wear these with a pair of cut-off Levi's. Totally my summer look for 2021. In my thrift haul yesterday, I actually came across this. This is a men's Helly Hansen technical jacket. It has some pockets in it. It is a slim fit in a size large, but very trendy. I think this is going to be a good turnaround. I did some quick comp searching. They do really well in the men's side for Poshmark, so I am going to have this one listed right away. Very like sleek, athletic looking. I like it. Next up are these Lululemon joggers. They're kind of in like a teal color. I grabbed these with the intention to either sell or if Lena wanted them. She tried them on. She has really long legs, and for some reason the Lulu joggers just don't look good on her. They're not that they don't look good. They're just not flattering. They make her legs look like extra skinny and she hates that. It makes them look like little stick legs. So I'm excited to toss this one in the closet. I had a pair of these in, I think it was like a gray and black a couple months ago, and they sold really quick. Yeah! Lulus. Always grab trendy, stylish Lulus, especially if they're a good price. They seem to flip really quick and usually for good money. Next up, so it's from the Nordic store. This is 100% Icelandic wool. Has like the Fair Isle design on the top. This is what I would call an Icelandic design. It's a long sleeve, and it actually is kind of a longer style as well. It's like a slim, longer style with a bit of a scoop neck, but oh, so soft. I love these things. These are bolos. Anytime I find a knit with this Fair Isle print, I grab them. They sell quick and they sell for a good $1. What else do we got here? I was able to go to Value Village, I think it was last week, and I had a 50% off coupon, but the 50% off was for women's dresses, shoes, accessories, and men's suits and shoes, I think. This may have also fallen into Savers Club, Value Village, Savers, same poop, different pile. And I don't normally pick up dresses, but I was like, at 50% off, I was definitely going to look. So I did a little bit of comp research before I went. There were some certain brands. I really didn't find anything that I was specifically looking for, but I found some cool dresses nonetheless. This is a rag and bone, kind of like ribbed material. I don't know if you can see it. It's very slinky, has a zipper up the back, and probably like it could be a mini or maybe like mid-thigh. Very cute. Very, very cute. nice fitted dress. And I'm probably gonna try and toss this one onto eBay. I think it'll probably do better there. For the dresses, I also picked up this Michael Kors dress. I don't have a style on it yet, but I'm gonna look it up. It's like a stretchy material. I don't know if you can see it, but it has kind of a design into it. No pockets, but definitely good quality. Has the gold Michael Kors tag in the back. Comps seem pretty good for Michael Kors dresses, so I grabbed it, and like I said, it was 50% off. I'm sure I'll make some profit off of it. I also grabbed another Michael Kors, and this is probably not something I would normally thrift, but I thought it looked cute, and zebra. Not really like on trend, but I don't know, like I think it's cute, and for 50% off, I can sell this for relatively low and still make money off of it, which this is a size small. And of course it kind of has like a zip up back, very lightweight, perfect for summer if you had to go out, although I don't know if we're going to be going anywhere this summer, but definitely would be cute at like a summer barbecue. All right, last dress that I had grabbed was this, I think it's a Guess, yeah. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Guess kind of taupe colored lace. It has like elastic straps right here, open lower back, zip up, like just sexy, cute, with a little bit of flare on the bottom. I'm just like floundering it around everywhere. And darn, it actually looks like the size has been cut out. So I'm gonna take, yeah, all tags cut out. I'm gonna take some measurements and kind of do the best I can. I would say it's probably a medium, maybe a large in Guess size, but cute. That's like my favorite word. If I'm ever doing thrift hauls, I'm sorry. You could probably count the number of times I say cute, because to me, everything is cute. Next up, this is for myself. This was an Eddie Bauer thermal top. I think it's a men's small. I just like the top, the like Aztec kind of print of it. Good for layering when we're going snowboarding. You can never have enough thermals. This is like a thick thermal. Eddie Bauer menswear seems to do pretty good for me. If I don't end up keeping it, I know that this will sell. All right. Let's get into the shoes, because this is exciting. I literally found so many cool shoes and good items. So first was a pair of Emu slippers. So I hate to say this, but I'm keeping these. They're my size. They're perfect for when we go camping or at the lake. They're still in pretty good condition. Yeah. Score. And they were super cheap. Like these were, I don't even know. I think they were like $4 with my discount. I will take that. This is a new to me brand. It's Born in California, BC. They're like, I'm gonna toss them in the wash actually. They're a pair of like Sherpa mules. Can you see that? Have you ever seen a pair of Sherpa mules? I know, so cute. And I'm gonna try them on quick. They're probably about an 8.5. Yep, exactly. They're an 8.5. They are a faux fur, but oh my gosh, I don't even care. Like, these are cuteness all over. Next was a pair of Caterpillar brand blue kind of Oxford shoes. These are really unique, and I don't think I would have normally picked them up, but because they were, I don't know if you guys can see that, the Cat brand, I thought for sure there was some value in them. They are a leather, they're not steel toe. Yeah, and they're a size 8.5. I'm gonna check out comps. I haven't even looked them up. I just knew for the price I was paying that there would be some profit made on these shoes, and very unique, very unique. Next up, I'm always looking at cowboy boots. We live here in Saskatchewan, and this is kind of like farm town. Like this is the prairies, this is the farmland of Canada. So a lot of cowboy boots end up in like ranching and things like that. So a lot of cowboy boots end up into our thrift stores, but they're usually really beat up. I'm always looking through to try and read and like search comps. These are a pair of Durango. They are a men's size 7, so they would fit like a women's size 8. They're a little bit snug on me, but in like next to new, can you guys see them? Next to new condition, literally next to new condition. The comps on these, I'm thinking I'm gonna be able to sell them for at minimum $50, and the leather is so soft. Like this was a steal. I've never picked Actually, I think I did pick up a pair of cowboy boots, but they were for Emeka and she didn't even like them. So I try and only pick up ones that I know are good quality with the least amount of wear in them. And then obviously checking brands. Next up, oh gosh, I was so excited about these. Like, you know, when you're flipping through and you're touching the boots and you can tell when you feel like a quality leather boot. That is how I felt. I grabbed these boots and I was like, ooh, oh, these are a good leather boot. So they are a BCBG. They're gray. They're thigh high. So sexy. Look them up. Comps are great. These boots are worth a hell of a lot of money, couple $100s. And zippers worked. Everything was good on them. They are an 8.5. So a little bit snug for me, but beautiful, beautiful boots. This is a fun one. Just a pair of Victoria's Secret red slippers with little pom-pom on them. I thought they were cute. I think they were like literally $1. You just can't go wrong with these. I'm gonna toss them in the closet for that girl that wants to feel bougie at home. So last bit, these are all really good. I'm excited about them. I found another pair of UGG clogs, I would say. The only thing is there's a little bit of wear on the heels. I'm not too worried about that. The rest of the shoe is in excellent, come on, focus. The rest of the shoe is in excellent condition. The fur is super soft still. The only other thing is that these are a small size. So these are a size 6, but again, being in such good condition, I think they're gonna sell really quick. And they were really cheap. I think they were marked down because maybe the size that they are. Anyways, whatever, I will take those. So these next few pairs fell on the day when I got 50% off. These are a pair of gray Dolce Vita, the higher end brand, I believe. So it's the square with the Dolce Vita written in them. They're a pretty good quality shoe. I was quite impressed. Same thing, like you touch them and you just know that they're nice. They got like cute zipper accents everywhere, bit of a pointed toe, and like next to new on the bottom. That was a steal. I don't think I would have paid what they were asking if I didn't have the 50% off coupon, but that definitely kind of sealed the deal for me. Next up are these Geox biker boots. Again, I'm just so sad they don't fit me. These are an 8.5. They're amazing quality. I don't know if you own Geox or you source them. And I don't even know if they sell them do they sell them in the States? I know definitely in Canada they're here. But this is good quality leather. It is so soft, like just cute and kind of like that mid-calf height biker boot. Good sole left in them. There is some cork in the heel and a really small heel. But yeah, I love these. These are cute. Can't wait to list those today. Next up with that coupon were these Steve Madden. I would call it burgundy, maroon. What do you think? More red, more purple? I think they're more purple, so they would be maroon. And kind of nice chunky heel, zip up, sleek, cute booty. And these are in a size 8.5. Like, someone with an 8.5 foot had a fabulous wardrobe and donated a bunch of stuff and none of it fits me. So sad. I also grabbed these 9 West black leather shoes. Again, really cute. I don't even know if I've ever carried 9 West in my closet, but the comps seem pretty good. These are a 7 and the style is the Moyen, but really good, like good quality leather. I was impressed with that. And the last item in this thrift haul, and this isn't a big brand name, it's just the Call It Spring that we have here in Canada, which is kind of like a mall brand shoe store, but it's like those, what do they call these ducky boots or whatever, and it has the felt top. I know that this is a trend and a style that's in this winter, so it may not be like Sorel or a brand name. Definitely is a style that I think will sell and in excellent condition. Yeah. All right, that's it. So these are a bunch of things that I thrifted. Bolo brands in here, styles, trends, things that I'm looking for. I hope that this helps you, or maybe you just enjoy watching a good old thrift haul. And yeah, if you like this content and you dig it, give us a thumbs up. If you're new, make sure you hit subscribe, tap the little bell so you get all our notifications. Other than that, I'm done. I will see you next time. Have a fantastic week. Bye.